If you guys want to know a secret, you guys want to know a really good secret? If you guys are going to walk into a meeting to a bunch of stakeholders and you're going to present your NLP project, put a word cloud in your deck, in your presentation. Stakeholders love word clouds. Nothing gets them more excited than a word cloud. Mark my words on that. They love those word clouds. Because a word cloud is only an initial exploration, right? If you attended last week, you remember that a lot of people brought up concerns about saying, well, but news coverage can be biased. News coverage can be like opinion based. I think Leo, you said something about that, about how, some columns are just like analyst opinions, right? And I agree, a lot of stuff out there is just, somebody at Vanguard writing an opinion piece on what Microsoft is going to do in 3 months. So I want us to do sentiment analysis, not to complete the work for our client, but to ensure that there is enough of a balance in those articles to say, oh, okay, yeah, we're getting some good stuff, we're getting some bad stuff, we're getting in between stuff. Because you're going to need that variety, right? You're going to need that variety of articles to then go into your own model and say, okay, yeah, I know that I'm walking into my modeling with a data set that is potentially not biased, because I know that the overall the spread of the overall sentiment is across the spectrum, so that I'm not just favoring positive articles about Microsoft or negative articles about Microsoft. Does that make sense to everybody? There's nothing wrong with abandoning ideas also, okay?